Baseball season's right around the corner, and these hot dog deviled eggs are the perfect American snack for your next watch party. Follow me as I show you how to make this delicious ballpark-inspired deviled egg, and it's easy. Now this recipe is going to be pretty easy, guys. These are all condiments that almost every American has in their kitchen. You got that mayo, you got pickles, ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, and onion, our eggs, of course, and then those beautiful hot dogs to top these things off. Let's get right into it. I'm excited for this. First step is always the first step, and that's cut those eggs open and get their yolks into their bowls. And hopefully you boiled them right so that they fall right out. Otherwise, you're gonna have some troubles. So for this recipe, you can buy little smokies, you can buy mini hot dogs. Today we're going with full-size wieners, and I know they look small to some of you, but to me these are pretty big. I'm just gonna grill these up in a pan because I like a good sear and char on my hot dog, and then I'm gonna cut them into little bite-sized pieces for a beautiful garnish on our eggs today. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, beautiful and blistery, just how I like it. Booyah. First ingredient for our filling is that mayo. Got that good base. We got Duke's, of course, because it's got that twang. Today we're only doing about a tablespoon of mayo. Next on the list, we're going with mustard. You gotta use that classic yellow American mustard for these hot dogs. You don't have to, but it's gonna be a lot better if you do. Same thing with this, guys. We're doing about a tablespoon or so of that mustard. I like a little spice. If you don't, you can opt out of this step, but the vinegar and the spice from this hot sauce is mwah. So, Frank's to save the day. Today I'm going in with probably about a couple teaspoons. Next up for our filling, I thought it'd be nice to put a little bit of pickle in there and a little bit of onion. So I'm gonna mince these up real fine, and we're gonna put them into our filling for that extra little crunch, crisp, almost like a relish type thing, and a little bit of onion on top. Except we don't have full hot dogs to garnish on top, so we're gonna throw it in the filling. See where my head's at here? And all you need is about 3 pickles worth. We're just gonna dice these up real fine so we can get them into our piping bag and hopefully not get stuck. Yes, I know, this porcelain knife sucks. Somebody send us a new knife, please. And I'm hoping that this pickle is going to add a little bit of that crisp that you would get from the relish on top of a good hot dog. Once it's real nice and fine like that, almost mushy like, just throw it right into your filling. And next up, we got red onion. I like a little bit of onion garnished over the top of my hot dog. This is completely optional, but I think it's going to add so much to that filling to get that little crispiness of the onion. So I'm doing a little bit of minced red onion. If you don't like onion, just skip this step. And you just want to make sure that you chop this up fine enough so that it's not going to get stuck in your piping bag. Perfect. Into the bowl we go. And now time to get your workout in. We're going to whisk this thing till it's beautiful and smooth. Yep, smells like a backyard barbecue, or America. Beautiful. Let's get this into a piping bag. And we want these things to just kind of pillow up real nice so that they look like a bun after our hot dog sits on them. And now for that hot dog on top. All I'm gonna do here is split these down the middle. And then we're just gonna use the ends here. When you squish these down, you just want it to kind of pillow out like a bun. That's kind of the look I'm going for. Yeah, and those are starting to look a little bun-like. You have the yolk kind of pillowing out on the sides a little bit, just like a bun would. Now, let's garnish it with a little bit of ketchup and mustard like a classic American hot dog. So for these, I'm just gonna squeeze a good line of ketchup on one side and then a good line of mustard on the other. You can drizzle this over the top if you want, but I think to maintain the good look of it, looking like a little hot dog, I'm just going to keep it on the sides. There you have it, folks. A beautiful ballpark hot dog deviled egg. I'm excited to try this. Let's give it a go. Yolks up. Man, that tastes like America. This one is a keeper. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more excellent content. And don't forget, recipe is in the description, guys. Yolks up.